Welcome to my channel. My name is Victor, and in this video you're going to watch a full course on how to master GitHub as a beginner. Have you ever wanted to download a piece of software only to land on a page with a bunch of downloadable files and have no idea which one is actually right for your PC? Or maybe you've come across a GitHub page like this. You see a README and About section and you start wondering, what does all of this actually mean? And more importantly, how was it created in the first place? If you ever encounter any of these situations, then this video not only explains how to solve them, but also consists of a 7-module course on how to master GitHub like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. And by the end of this course, you will be able to learn the difference between Git and GitHub. Second, you'll learn how to create your first GitHub repository. Third, you'll learn how to use branches without breaking your project. Fourth, you'll learn how to collaborate using forks, pull requests, and merge conflicts. Fifth, you'll learn how to install software from GitHub. Sixth, you'll build a professional GitHub profile README. And lastly, you'll learn how to deploy a free website using GitHub Pages. Now that you have understood the context of this course, let's start with the first module.